etc. We start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if you refer to our analysis, since the price was within this exactly here, we mentioned we can put this two relative to each other. That's why we mentioned we're looking for the reversal, and this is what we get. Okay, and but when the price was within this move, we mentioned the way it's moving, it doesn't give us really good trade setup unless we get any opportunity based on lower time frame. And the only times we could look for buy was if anyone get this one, but as we can see, it was a short-term trade. Anyway, this is what we have been looking for, and this is what we get. But it depends on the traders whether they get a proper trade setup or not, or if anyone get the trade from this. I think if they haven't take out the trade, now it's better for them to take out the trade. In this case, we move to higher time frame. We want to see what we have it. Okay, as we can see, based on daily chart, the price broke the previous top. Now the way it's moving, we can see is a bit corrective. Now the question is how high it can go. Can we expect to get the next correction based on daily chart? Anyway, if we move to weekly chart, now we want to see whether the price can break this top or not. Okay, now we're looking for the next price for the breakout. So we want to see whether we can get the continuation and the price can break 25.7 or 25.8 or not. Okay, anyway, we move to forward chart. And as I mentioned, based on daily chart, now the way is moving is a bit corrective. Now we want to see how we can look at this. Either this is the flat and this is the one is going to continue, or we can expect this one turn to a channel. That means we can expect for one more drop similar to what I drew here. Okay, mostly we can prefer if we get a correction and we look at this as a channel, because the next move can be sharp. But if it continues a channel, then we cannot confirm how long we will be within that channel. And even if we can see put the every top in relative to each other, we see if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. This is where we need to be quite careful. Any trade we consider as a short term. And if I move to 1 hour chart, right now we don't have any trade set up. Okay, and how about if we put this one in relative to this based on 1 hour chart? We don't have the proper divergence, but no, we don't have it. The forward chart can show us better. I mean, the way it's forming was more clear than what we have based on 1 hour chart. Anyway, right now, if we don't have any trade set up to look for buy, the only thing is we need to wait what we get here. And even we put this one in as a flat, I don't think it's really good, but any reversal we can look for buy. Even we get the reversal from here, the only way to arbitrate about this. I don't think so you can get any good trade setup within this, because we're looking for the sharp move. Like if we get, we can't trade it. Anyway, we just wait and see what we get here. The only thing is whatever the trade, if anyone get within this move, they have to start to manage. Because as I mentioned, based on forward chart, either this one is a flat or this one can turn to a channel. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or any trade setup, I will share. Thanks.